Hello again, everybody. It is now night time. I've been posting videos all day. Today we'll be reviewing a Lego MOC I made a couple days ago. It is a Japanese boat being attacked by demons. So I don't really know what's going on in my mind when I was doing this, but I just was a bit bored. So I made this. Now it has a couple ninjas fighting these red demons. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Please like and